Okay, I'm about to start fitting my handbrake cable onto my little Noddy car. I'm not sure how long it's going to take. I suppose in a garage it'll take about 30 minutes, probably take me about 3 or 4 hours. But we'll see how it goes. I'm going to put you on the stand. I've got a little time-lapse camera off to my right here, down on the floor. We'll see how it goes. I'll try and get as much detail as I can once I get the car up, and I'll bring it underneath so you can see what's going on. Okay, see you in a bit. Okay, I can see this. This is my replacement handbrake cable. When I went to the motor factors to buy it, they said they didn't have it in stock and they had to actually manufacture this one specifically for me. So it's not an original equipment OEM, but it does say Fiat on it. So we'll see how it fits. It should fit okay. It looks very similar to the other one on first inspection, so I'll just crack on with it and get it done. Okay, first I've got a split pin under here that I've got to bend back, and then I can just pull this little clevis pin out, and then I'll be able to undo this and thread it through from here to where the handbrake is. Now, unfortunately, I have to reuse this cotter pin because I don't have any new ones here. In Scotland, I've literally got a box with about maybe 800 of them that I found in my dad's shed when he passed away. So I'll get this off, hopefully, without snapping it. Maybe not. Right. Hope not in the way, missing all the action. There you go, it's actually coming out. Kind of. It's stuck now. There you go. That's probably one of the benefits of living in Spain, is that that's been on the car for 10 years and it's not even rusty. Spring washer, keep that as well. Get the pin out. We just gotta get it from under here. This might be slightly difficult. Yeah, I'm not sure if you can see that. It looks. This is part of the brake line, but this here is the handbrake cable. It goes behind the fuel tank, round the front there, through that bracket, and then joins the handbrake cable there. So all I've got to do is take this off of here, and then, excuse my fingers, take this off of here, unloop this side, and then basically it's the mirror image on the other side, almost, give or take 1 or 2 clips. And all I've got to do then is to reroute the new cable that way. Okay. so we'll see how that goes. I'll try and set you up so that you can see without me getting in the way, which is probably going to be impossible. But let's just see. Okay. You hear some noise. I'm just unclipping the cable from the other side. I need a screwdriver for that though. It's got these silly plastic clips. Which actually isn't that silly after all. Right. I have to undo this bolt here and then pull this out. That's as easy as that is. I've just got to undo this bolt here and then I'll be able to adjust the, and then I'll be able to get that. Looks like a 13 mil, I think. Oh, where's my assistant? This one goes on the spacer and then this one basically locks it off. Very simple system. So you believe. So they'd have you believe. Right, I'm going to take the rest of this off now on this side and then I'll thread the handbrake cable where it needs to go, and then we'll fix it up and adjust it up. Okay?
Although this bit's sped up, I actually have to pull the cable through the suspension. It's held on by one of these little plastic clips. It's quite difficult to get to. Once you've got the clip off, you can pull the wire through, and obviously when you reassemble it, you have to put the wire back through the same passageway, if you like, in the suspension. It sort of goes through the swing arm and back up towards where it's affixed to the drum. Right, okay, I've got the handbrake cable out. I was a little bit concerned that it actually snapped inside the car and not on the cable when I was just pulling it out there. But having just put my foot on one end of it and pulled it, it does actually seem to be coming out. So, in fact, there you go. There you go. You see that? At this stage I'm obviously quite happy with myself because I'm singing some inane rubbish song which I can't remember what it was, but as I'm connecting the cable, if you like, centerpiece to the adjuster rod, you can tell that what I'm actually saying is nothing technical, so just watch what I do. At this point I'm putting the spacer on first, and then followed by the two, they're just two nuts, that's all it is. And the way it works is that when you tighten the last one on, it locks off the front one and it doesn't come off, in theory. I do actually pull them both back to the end of the rod, so it's easier to connect the cable and put it through the two guide loops that are affixed to the bottom of the car. Without that, you've got pretty little adjustment on it. You have to really fiddle around with that. It wasn't that easy.
Should just push in, hopefully. like that. Where are you fucking thing? It's actually got to go down that way, isn't it? Like that. And think about it more. Well, that one's gone alright, isn't it? That one's in alright. Yeah. And this one isn't alright at the moment. Let's push it through. Yeah. Actually just go like that, isn't it? It's gone all the way through first. Let's go through now though. Come on, you fucking thing. We're going to protect this, aren't we? It's not going to close like that, is it? So,
At this point in the proceedings, I'm trying to clip the cable onto the plastic clips that are between the floor pan and the petrol tank, and it wasn't actually that difficult. The clips were in good condition, and using a screwdriver I was able to just clip them up. Not really a problem. The main problem you're going to find out about in a minute is that things don't quite go to plan with regards to making a video.
I think that is actually on a good video, because it fucking fits perfectly there. See it off again. Push this through. So it's actually in the mix. Okay. I reckon it goes through the fucking top. Oh no, through the bottom. Definitely through the bottom more. Push that through there. Automatically fucking. Excellent. Just try to do the same on this one. We've got the pedal thing on it. Wait.